everyone, thank you so much for coming back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to build any major triad on piano. Let's get started. Alright everybody, so we are going to be learning how to build major triads. Now, the first thing we want to establish is whole steps and half steps. Now, what is a half step? A half step is when you go one note to either the right or the left, no matter if it's black or white. So from this A, we're going one half step up to an A sharp or A flat. That is a half step. Now, if you go two notes to the right or left, that is a whole step, no matter if it's black or white. A to B, whole step, half step. That's a whole step, half step, whole step, just to give you a few examples. So now, for a major chord, what we want to do is we want to have two whole steps from here to here. One whole step, two whole steps. That creates a major third. Now what we want to do is create a major third plus a minor third on top of that from the third of the chord. So now we have 1, 2, 3. That creates a minor third. And now we have a G major chord. Let's do another one. A major. So we want two whole steps or four half steps from the root note. We have, that's one whole step, two whole steps or four half steps. We have the root and the third. Now we have to build a minor third from the third of this chord. 1, 2. That is A major triad. Let's go right here. A flat chord. We have A flat. Up four half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. A flat, C. 1, 2, 3 to E flat. That's our A flat major triad. Let's go to C major. C is our root note. We go up four half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go up three more half steps. 1, 2, 3. That is our C major triad. If you do that with any key, any note on the piano, you will end up with a major triad. Now you might be wondering what major triads go well together. Now I'm just going to give you the answer and we will talk about why later. First, we want a C major triad, then F major, and G major. Back to C. Now if you use these three major triad chords in sequence, they will always sound good. They are called the 1, 4, and 5 of the C major key. They will always sound good together, no matter what order they're played in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you got any value at all, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thank you so much.